Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today we are just going to start the exercise 15D in decimal section. Before that, I would like to tell you some conversion which you have already done in the previous classes. Like 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. When you will change the rupees in paisa, you have to multiply it by the 100. Means 3 rupees is equal to 3 into 100 will be the 300 paisa. And when you will change the paisa in rupees, you will divide it by the 100. 300 paisa is there and you have to change it into rupees, so you will divide the 300 by the 100 and you will get the 3 rupees. Same, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When you will change the meter in centimeter, you will multiply it by the 100. Like 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100 will be the 500 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. When you will change the centimeter in meter, you will divide it by the 100. Like 500 centimeter is equal to 500 upon 100 meter, and when you will solve it, you will get the 5 meter again. Like here, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, when you will change the kg in gram, so you have to multiply it by the 1000. 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000 gram will be 5000 gram. And vice versa, 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. When you will change the gram in kilogram, so you have to divide it by the 1000. Like 5000 gram is equal to 5000 upon 1000 will be 5 kg. One more important thing which you have to keep in your mind, that high unit to low unit means whenever you will change the high unit, greater unit to low unit, you will multiply like this. Rupees to paisa, high to low, multiply. Meter to centimeter, high to low, multiply. Okay, and same here, kilogram to gram, high to low, multiply. And when you will change the low unit to high unit, you will divide. Like paisa to rupees, here we are changing the low unit to high unit, so we are doing the division. Same here, centimeter to meter, division, and gram to kilogram, division. Got it? So these were some things which is necessary to make you understand. Now I am just going to start the exercise 15D. The first question of this exercise is saying that convert in paise. Okay, some rupees is given here. This is the first part. Rupees 8.40. Okay, rupees is given and you have to change it into paise. So I told you 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So to change the high unit to low unit, you will multiply it by the 100. So 8.40 rupees will be 8.40 into 100 paise. So it will be 840 paise. Got it? One more I am just going to tell you. The second part of this, rupees 0.97, and you have to change it into the paise. So it will be, as you know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 0.97 rupees will be 0.97 into 100 is equal to 97 paise. This is done. Okay. So rest of the part of this question you will do on your own. Second question. In this question you have to just change the paise in rupees. Question number 2. This is the first part, 55 paise. And you have to change it into the rupees. So as you know, 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So it will be 55 paisa will be 55 upon 100 is equal to 0.55 rupees. Okay. Next I am telling you second part of this, 8 paise. Okay. So how do you change it? As you know that 8 paisa will be 8 upon 100 rupees. To make the rupees, you will divide it by the 100. So it will be 0.08 rupees. As you know, when we divide any number by the 100, we put the decimal after 2 digits. Okay. Now the third question, express in centimeter. The value is given in meter and you have to change into centimeter. This is the question number third. The first part I am telling you 6 meter. Okay, and as you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter will be 6 into 100 centimeter, means 600 centimeter. We are changing high to low unit, so you will multiply. You will do the multiply. Now the second part, okay, third part I am telling you 3.08 meter, and you have to change it into the centimeter. So 3.08 meter will be 3.08 into 100 centimeter. Okay, you will do the multiplication. So it will be the 308 centimeter. When you will multiply, decimal will be removed. Now after that, the question number 4, express in meter. The value is given in centimeter and you have to change it into the centimeter. Okay, the fourth question. The first part I am telling you, first of all, that 250 centimeter. And as you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 250 centimeter will be 250 upon 100 meter. And when you will divide any number by the 100, you will put the decimal after 2 digits. So it will be 2.50 meter. Okay, now after that, the third part of this question, I am telling you 86 centimeter, and you have to change it into the meter. So it will be 86 centimeter will be is equal to 86 by 100 divided by 100, and it will be 0.86 meter. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. After that, I am just going to tell you the question number 5. Question number 5 is saying that express in gram. The value is given in kilogram and you have to change it into the gram. I will tell you only one question of this because all the questions in this exercise are same. The first part I am just going to tell you 6 kg, you have to change it into the gram. So as you know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 6 kg will be 6 multiplied by 1000 and it will be 6000 gram. Got it? Now the question number 6 I am going to tell you. You have to change in kilogram. The value is given in gram and you will change it in kilogram. Question number 6. Second part of this question I am taking 6839 gram is given and you have to change it into the kilogram. As you know, 1 gram is equal to, for gram you can write the gm and g whatever you want. Okay, don't confuse about it. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 6839 gram will be 6839 by 1000 kilogram. Whenever we change the gram in kilogram, means low unit to high unit, we divide. So it will be, we are dividing by the 1000 and in 1000 C0 are there, so we will put the decimal after 3 digits and it will be 6.839 kilogram. Okay. After that I am just going to tell you the question number 7. The question number 7 is saying that you have to add, okay, some value are given and you have to add it and give the answer in rupees. Okay. This is question number 7 in which you have to add the given value. This is the first part. It is saying that rupees 5.37 and rupees 12. And I told you whenever we add any decimal value, so first of all we change the given unlike decimal number into like decimal number. You can see here this is the decimal but it is not decimal. So we will change it into the decimal number. We will change the 12 in decimal. How? It is 5.37. Okay. After decimal, 2 digits are there, but here no digits. So we will change it in decimal by writing the 20 after decimal. Okay. Now both the value are the decimal value and both the decimal number are like decimal number. Now we can add it very well. So 5.37 plus 12.00. What will come? 7 and 0, 7, 3 0, 3, decimal, 5 and 2, 7 and 1. Means 17.37 is the answer. 17.37 rupees is the answer of the addition of 5.37 and 12 rupees. Got it? Now after the other part of this question you will do on your own. Same questions are there. Now the question number 8 I am telling you. Question number 8 you have to subtract the value. Okay. Question number 8, subtract. The first part of this question, rupees 35.47 from rupees 63.22. Okay, these both are the like decimal number. I think you will do it on your own. Very easy question is there. From means say, whenever you find the in subtraction from means you have to subtract the first value by the second value. Okay, so you will do the subtract this value from this and you will get the answer. Now after I am just going to tell you the question number 10. Question number 10 is saying that add giving answer in meter. Okay. Question number 10. Second part I am taking from this question. 848 centimeter and 2.9 meter. You have to add these value in meter. And as you can see here, 2.9 is meter, but 8.48 is in centimeter. So first of all, we will change 848 centimeter in meter. And you know how to change. 848 centimeter is equal to 848 divided by 100. We are changing in high units, so we will divide it by the 100 and it will be 8.48 meter. Okay, now this and this both are in meter. Now we will add 8.48 meter plus 2.9 meter. Okay, now you can see here both are the unlike decimal number. Here after decimal 2 digits are there and here only 1. So we will write the 0 to make it the like decimal. Now 8 and 0, 8, 4, 9, 13, 3, 1 carry and 8 and 2, 10 and 1, 11. And decimal is given after 2 digits. So we will put the decimal here and this is the answer 11.38 meter. Okay. After that the 11 and the 12 question are exactly same. You will do like this. Wheresoever the different units are there, first of all you will change into the same units. Then after you will change the unlike decimal number into like decimal number, and after that you will add or subtract. Okay, so rest of the question are exactly same. So this was the exercise 15D which I told you, and I will provide you some questions which you will do on your own, and till then you just keep practice. Thank you.